Hello guys, taking videos. Ang ganda ng sunset dito. Ito nyo, sunset. Then papunta kami sa come on na daddy. Have a nice sunset here sa river house namin. Tapos mag sightseeing, drive around. Welcome. Grabe ang sagbot ba, pagkadaghan naman lang yun sa sagbot. Tanawa ng kuan o sa kakahoy namo, wala na, matay na gid siya, dili na gid na siya mabalik. Nagpangadaldag na iyahang mga sanga-sanga. Sunod ana matumba na. Tapos kuan morning amo ang view sa sa lake. Ang ganda ng view na. Anong silingan, ipaayo daw niya ilang botdak. Natunod ng adlaw. Padung pami mag-drive around. Wala na, tunod na. Gaya ning akong ba na magkikistorya. Abdan man sa tag siyam. Natunog pa jud ko. Laagan manggod laagan. Mao din among ram kanang bot loading ano kaha na nga dark man kana clear na siya. Mo clear siya 0.5. Sa una guys, pag mo taas na ang tubig, maabot lagi ang tubig din ha sa may kanang kutbanan gani din ha, maabot ang tubig din ha. Grabe lagi, di na gud nini mo makita ang kanang stairs sa kuan sa boat dock. Tapos din kuan ni lawm na ni kaayo din hinindot lagi kayo mag swimming punta. Tapos din mapuno na ng tubig din madto. Mura na ni siya din upuan. Wala kay makita ng mga nasanan wala kay makita ng mga sagbot kasi mapuno na siya tubig. Gaya ng akong banakot no? Balik. Kita na nasa balik. Come on, guys. Kita na nasa balik. Expired already, right?
That's up.
You can't.
Get them out.
You can't do that.
Get them out.
Don't always. You have to obey that thing, boy.
Jump. Please. Census. Census. Did we get census in Jackson?
I always have census here.
What do we got? Do they have the come in Jackson?
Yeah.
That's his relative there too. The guy we was talking to. Cousin, I think he said.
Nephew?
Huh?
Nephew.
Nephew? Oh, nephew. Okay.
Yeah.
Looking, trying to get the docks fixed up.
You're gonna fix that?
Well, yeah, they can't find anybody.
He's going to talk with Jerry's, what? Jerry? Huh?
Oh, well, I told him Jerry was getting one put in.
Oh, gosh.
Get out. Got to know. Oh, there's not too many people here.
Because it's not going anywhere. It's not seasons.
That's the right time. It's fall.
Yeah, but
Look at the sunset. I take a picture of the sunset today.
I did. You see that sunset?
There you go. Took a picture of the sunset.
I did already.
You did? Okay.
There. That's not the. It's already sundown. Huh?
Huh?
Going home now?
Yeah. Yeah, I just try to get this out running a little bit. That's it.
Then we run in here. And then goes down to Cherry's place. Here.
Longer.
What?
I said this is longer.
What do you mean?
A little further than going. The other one. They run down over to the doctor's house, see how he's coming.
This is noise. This is the noise. You have a big house. This is very big. Look at that, very nice. You have a big,
Yeah, he's a big on the siding.
yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah, but that won't keep the noise out.
It's okay,
Siding will.
honey. Don't always sneak in, okay?
Huh?
That's,
I'm just telling you.
that's okay. Maybe they did not put their room in this area. Put it there, a little
Look how
farther.
close to the road it is.
But that's very nice house. Look at that. I like it.
It's nice.
Yeah. Don't always sneaking at
Would you
them.
want to
That's,
climb those stairs all the time?
that's fine. That's only for vacation time. And then they have it underground, right?
The basement there,
Basement.
yeah. There's a patio.
up? What's
There's a
up?
patio in the back.
I know. Always mind others' business. What's up? What's up? Leave them alone. That's their choice. They did not touch your life anyway. Why you keep on talking about their life? That's what they're gonna say. Mind your own business. We forgot to close the window.